Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashlatrice. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my rice water for my hair growth. So stay tuned and be sure to like and subscribe. Alright guys, so a few things I will be using for my rice water combination is aloe vera gel. I am using a mason jar. I am using a stocking cap that I actually just opened because I do not have a strainer that tiny. 1 cup of rice. I'm using olive oil to add to my rice water for moisture, and I'll be using a bowl to pour everything in and just kind of clean the rice up. And lastly, a tablespoon. So now I'll be taking my bowl and my rice, and I'll be adding my rice into my bowl. I'm going to now add water and just fill it up to almost about that line here. I want to make sure that I have enough water that I'll be needing for my mason jar. Now I'm just going to actually take my hands and stir up my rice. I want to make sure I'm getting everything I need out of this rice because I will be draining the water from the rice. So now I'll be using my mason jar. And I'm going to go ahead and pour the rice water into my mason jar using the net for my stocking. Once again, brand new stocking. I have everything I need, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse out my stocking, put that to the side, and got my rice water. Alright, so now I'll be adding a tablespoon of olive oil, which I use as a sealant and moisturizer. I have a very dry scalp right now, which is why I will also be incorporating this aloe vera gel. I have been using this every day over the last 2 weeks, and I've seen it do magic for my hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and shake it up because it's been sitting in the fridge. And then I'm going to use my tablespoon and add this to my rice water. Yes, it looks so good. Nice and juicy. So now I'm just going to go ahead and stir up my ingredients. I do know that oil and water don't mix, so that oil will most likely sit at the top. But whatever, I'm still going to mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. All right, now I am going to go ahead and close up my rice water and give it a good shake. Now I will be letting this sit for 48 hours. I did hear many different time lengths for this, but I'm going to do 48 hours, and then I will be back to let you guys know how the results work for me. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.